Hey y'all, I just finished filming my live on the big reveal of my high definition wash and go style. And y'all, I am so excited with my results. And Miss Jessie's soft curls, pillow soft curls is what I use. Go check out that live if you haven't already. I showed the technique that I was using, the same technique I used on my first live when I used the Miss Jessie's multicultural curls. But y'all, I tried out pillow soft curls and I love it. I love the definition. The last style that I had with the multicultural curls ended up lasting for 10 days. Well, actually, it would have gone longer, but I decided that I wanted to wash my hair out. But y'all, look. And this time I did a side part instead of a middle part. So I'm just so proud of myself. I'm changing it up, you know. I'm a middle part girl. So side part is banging. What y'all think? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. And I also use my favorite Xtreme gel. Y'all know that. Y'all know I love Xtreme gel. So y'all look. Yeah. So I love Miss Jessie's products. Her products, I mean, it helps with definition, but it also gives your hair movement. So I'm happy that it's not like super hard and super stiff to where it doesn't move, and it moves. So I love it, y'all. Anywho, thank you guys for your support. Thank you for watching all of my lives, for joining and hanging in there, liking my lives. I'm so excited, y'all. I looked up and it was like 158 of y'all. I don't know who, yeah, hopefully it's y'all, but it was a lot of people. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I've never seen that many. If I'm not mistaken, it got up to, oh, I thought I saw 198, but I don't know, my eyes was playing tricks on me. I don't know. But thank you guys for supporting me. Definitely go ahead and check that live out. I was taking down my twist for the twirls that I had in my hair. Check that live out. Check the takedown live out, and check the install live out as well. So I'm so grateful for you guys supporting me in that way. And it was supposed to be. I was like, I wanted to. Don't laugh at me. I'm speechless right now. Actually, I wanted to say something, but I'm like, it. I said on the title is a silent live. So if I break the silence, it wouldn't be a silent live. But anyway, I'm liking the silent live so far. What do y'all think? Are y'all liking the silent lives? Anyway, I was not going to do a live takedown. I was going to record it and then edit it and then wait a week before I post it. So I was like, let me just go live and take it down live, y'all. And so y'all got it instantly. But these are my results, y'all. Let me know what you think. This is going to be a real short video. I just wanted to touch base with y'all. Go ahead and shoot the video. Members, thank you for your support. Subscribers, all new subscribers. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have all kind of content, videos for you to indulge in. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Members, thank you so much for joining my channel. If you're not a member yet, come sign up, child. I have different tiers. The lowest tier is $2.99 a month, I believe, and it goes up from there to upwards to $9.99 a month. Whatever y'all do, I will be so 100% grateful. I am a small content creator, and that membership right there helps me to continue to post my content. So, thank you so much. I would like to do it full time. We're not there yet. Anyway, members, thank you for joining my channel. And if you are contemplating joining my channel, I strongly urge you to join my channel. It will be a blessing to have you as a member. I'm going to start doing member only lives with you guys because I want to help as many people as I can. especially people that are dealing with hair issues, hair growth issues, as I have dealt with before. I have grown my hair out. I've started balding. Well, I had bald spots rather. Postpartum situations, then my hair was thinning, had issues with that. Like, y'all, I can help somebody. I can help somebody. Unless it's like a health issue that, you're working with medication and stuff like that. I don't know. We will work. I have someone that I'm working with right now. We're working through it. But it's an internal thing and an external thing and a mind thing too. So I dealt with my hair loss with saying my affirmations, making sure I watch what I put in my mouth, making sure I'm ingesting healthy fruits and vegetables, stuff like that. Taking some supplements, but not so much anymore. So yeah, we'll talk about all that. Members, join me. We're gonna start having member only lives. You guys, I'm gonna start pushing my content to you first, so you can see the content before anyone else does. I have a lot of plans in store, and I would love for you guys to be on my membership. So anyway, I didn't want to make this super long, but I just wanted to show you guys my results from my live on Miss Jessie Pillow Soft Curls. I love her line. I'm gonna see she has another styling gel. Maybe I'll try that out. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is there any particular product that you would like for me to try out on my 4C textured hair? Please let me know. I will be more than happy to check it out. But if there's not anything else, I guess I'll let you guys go about your day. Have a great morning and night. Thank you for tuning in to my video. Thank you for liking, subscribing. Thank you for watching my video to the end. For everybody that does that, mwah. Thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you. I love you guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Swann just shares the light. Healthy hair tips shining bright. Affirmations make it right.